Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B, your beauty bestie. Today is beautiful out. It's finally beautiful out. And I just want to do like, I'm going to do some work outside with my husband. We're going to work on the back. And I just want to kind of test out these Pradas again. And I kind of want to do like, just a face of makeup that I would do like in the morning, just like kind of no makeup, barely any makeup on. So I just want to put this on and kind of like with no foundation and see if I like these like that. There's something about these I don't like and I'm not sure. Someone said it's just like the disappointment in the packaging makes you not want to like them. So I think, which I think might be true. They're so toy-like. I don't know. And then these are just going to be like kind of chunky and annoying in my collection, similar to, actually I'll show you, similar to these Rhode blushes. It just has this chunky and then having to store them. And then even these, they're just like chunky and annoying. I don't appreciate chunky and annoying packaging apparently. I've learned this about myself. So anyway, I just want to just put on a quick makeup look with these Prada blushes. This is kind of how I would get ready in the morning. It's kind of what I'm planning. But I know myself, especially as I'm sitting here, even just wanting to just put on blushes and maybe a lip. I'm like looking at what else I want to put on my face. So that might be a fail. Let's see. Let's go. All right. So I have two of the Prada blushes here. I have Tulip and Dahlia. I'm literally just going to do some work. We're working around the house. We have to reorganize the garage. I'm just going to go in with this. Yes. So this is Dahlia. So let's just go in with Dahlia. And I do want to put on a little bit of like under eye stuff. So I'm going to go in with the RMS Brightener. And I have the shade Cherish. And we're just going to go in with a little bit of this just to kind of do a little bit, just a little something. I'm really not trying to, oh, I want to use this. I'm really not trying to do much on my face today. Really want it low key, but I end up always doing way too much anyway. That's just the truth. But honestly, I'll tell you what, it's not about, in case anyone needs this explanation, which most people who watch, I think you get it. It's not about like even looking pretty or feeling pretty. It's like I literally just love to play with the products and use them, you know? And of course there's an aspect of like, it does make you look better. So when you look better, you feel better and you act better, right? It's all related. But for me, this stage of the game, my current life status situation, like I don't have to look good for nobody but myself. So anyway. And I'm definitely, someone asked me if, you know, I could go out with no makeup. Like I could go out like this. It doesn't bother me if I have to run to the store or go do errands. Like I don't care. I just prefer to have makeup on because I like it. I was gonna go for a bike ride with my son right now, but he jumped in the cooler. He filled up, we have like a big Yeti tub cooler, and he filled it up with water, and he's like, I'm making a cold plunge, Mom. I'm like, okay. So they're playing with water balloons right now. It's finally nice out, it's so nice. They're off from school right now too. And I'm trying to think, like I don't wanna do an eyebrow, but I kinda want to, but I'm not gonna. Because then that's going to lead to building more on my face. So we're going to avoid that at all costs. Hold on. I have to bring Zeus a towel. Hold on. All right. So I really don't have a lot of time for this. So let's just get this face on. All right. So we're going in with Dahlia, with the Prada. And I'm going in with the mini sheer buffer from Sonia G. You know, it's not bad. It's fragranced, similar to the rest of it. It's not bad. It's definitely pigmented. It's like going on like a full coverage blush. It's full coverage. Like there's nothing, you see how it just like, it kind of, okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's actually, it's kind of nice. And I'm just going to go in. This brush is dirty. There's no, I didn't add any foundation or anything. Just whatever was on here. Just kind of trying to blend that in a little better. All right, so I got a little color on my cheeks. I kind of brighten my under eye. While we're here, let's put on a little, we have the Merit Solo Shadow in the shade Glacé. And I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Again, I'm trying to be like as less fussy as possible today. And just to kind of give a little brightness. No makeup, but totally makeup on your face, look. This is what like most people would do like every day. And I'm like, this feels like nothing to me. And then I'm gonna add some bronzer just cause now we're here. I just want like a little bit of a bronze on my face. Well, what bronzer? Should I just use this? We'll just use this. It's in front of me. That's what we're doing for our makeup today. All right, let's do it. Let's go for it. Okay. I'm going back in with my, can't remember what I put in this. What did I put on? Did my skincare, and I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hydra SPF. So I have that, and then that's it. That's what we did. All right, cool. Just a little simple put together face. I don't want eyeliner. I'm not gonna put any eyeliner. Do I want mascara? No. I don't want mascara because I'm gonna go ride bikes and it's kind of hot. It might be a little sweaty. I don't think I want mascara, but I curled my lashes. We will put a lip, and I'm just gonna go in with the Viola FR lip that I have purchased in the sale. And this is the shade Sochi Demora? I don't know. So I'll tell you what. The Prada blush. This was Dahlia. Just building it up a little bit. Okay. I'm just gonna be around the house playing. Do I want powder on my face? Now I see, this is where I go wrong. This right here, this is the moment when just a regular face of makeup turns into like a full glam. It's crazy. I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury in the pink. I'm gonna take the powder and I'm just gonna kind of set that under eye section. So there's a little bit of blurring and brightness. And should we go in with it? Yeah. This is why I like a face palette. Look, and I'm done. See, I just totally bumped up the whole look from like no makeup. That's okay. Well, there's my look. There's my little 2-minute, just fresh enough to feel like I put something on my face. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna go outside, play with the kids, and run some errands and clean out the garage and do all the things. So it was, thanks for joining me. I'll see you hopefully tomorrow for our coffee date. We go live at noon tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time. All right, thanks so much, friends, and you have yourselves a great rest of your day. Bye.